Hello, my name is Joe Deacon. I'm the Managing Director and owner of Distag QCS Group. I started the business in 1988 at the age of 23. The business has grown quite substantially from our modest first year turnover of 65,000 to hopefully reach 40 million this year. In the last 20 years, we have switched over to Herbst. So the business operates in four main sectors now. We operate in our original business, which is power transmission parts like belts and pulleys. Also do a lot of bespoke components for different manufacturing companies. Hydraulics is a business we got into in the 90s, and that's now becoming a very significant part of the group business. And then the part that has really driven Distag on is trailer parts. So it's accounting for a large section of our business, dealing with manufacturers all over UK and Ireland. Well, the big challenge we had was we didn't have visibility of our site in the UK, and that was a major problem for us. Since we have moved to the Herbst, now we have full access to our three sites in both in Ipswich, Dungannon and Ireland, and we can track the stock, but also the movements, the pricing, the open orders, allocations, everything we have now full visibility after moving to Herbst. The management information has been key to us. Being able to see what's happening on live data, everything is live. That was the big seller for us when we first spoke to Herbst. The system was live all the time. Management information, we actually eliminated, as my accountant regularly reminds me, his work, because we had all the information, our monthly management accounts, everything was done live and we could track it on a daily basis. So the flexibility then of the modules was a big thing for us in terms of changing to Herbst. We could add what we wanted, when we wanted. We started out with stock, some basic modules like stock and invoicing and credit control, and then we have added over the years several different modules in that, and that's been a big help to us in terms of how we grow it. But I would still say that the one thing that keeps me using Herbst, and that we work with Herbst to sort of implement all those, is the management information. I can look at my dashboard on the computer and I can see my sales, my gross profit, my stock levels, everything, just on a daily basis, on a live basis. Everything is there visible. The new web portal is fantastic, and we've introduced that now in Ireland and in the UK, and the comments we're getting about the new web portal is just amazing, because the flexibility is giving us, it's allowing us to put the images and put everything in place. So it's really, we've had very, very positive feedback from our customers about the new web portal, and now we're just in the middle of a marketing launch to sort of drive more customers to that, because in my opinion, we can pretty much save an admin person salary in each location every year using the web portal, and I'm very, very pleased with the new web portal design. One of the great advantages of using Herbst, we have found, is that it can handle the level of stock which we have, which we're looking at over 20,000 stock items in dual locations and in transit, moving, in sales, and Herbst has allowed us to track all of that and monitor it and forecast it and everything.
Hi, my name is Kyle Deacon and I work here in Distag QCS as Trailer Parts Product Line Manager. Working alongside Herbst has allowed us to quickly run reports which can monitor customer margins and yearly usage to date. This is a report that we've developed alongside Herbst, which allows us to quickly monitor the previous 12-month sales versus year-to-date sales, and also allows us to monitor our current margins with the customer.
We run the monthly accounts off the system on a monthly basis, and basically we can pick up anything that might need to be changed. And at the end of the year, we can send everything to our auditors from the system, and they can complete the audited accounts for the year based on what we send them. And it's a very simple process. If they have any queries or anything like that, it's very simple to deal with those queries through the system.
Would I recommend Herbst? Yes, for sure, for a number of reasons. One reason is the flexibility when it comes to report generating. Another reason I would recommend Herbst is the dashboard system, and how easy it is to look at the screen and track the business on a daily basis. The modules are fantastic. You can tailor to suit any side of business. When we started, we started off, as I said, with the basic stock control and invoicing, but now we've added currency, we've added locations, depots. All of those modules can be added on and built on to suit a business as it grows, which has been a wonderful thing for us, because we couldn't have afforded Herbst in the way we have it now when we started the business, but by having that flexibility to keep adding as we grew the business has been a tremendous asset for us. One other thing that we like about Herbst is the actual stability of the system. Herbst has been able to cater for all of that. To have a system with over 70 users logged in and over 20,000 parts and transactions going back as many years as we, and yet the system is stable, it doesn't crash. That's a massive effort and a massive help for us that we have that stability. One of the big pluses of Herbst is the ease of use. The system is just so easy to use. We can have people start, and within 2 to 3 days they're up and running on the system. Is it because it's like a Windows-based system that everybody can get used to? I don't know, but I've found that over the years that the information is so easy to input and so easy to extract. So for me as a manager, I can see the manager information easy. For the user, which is very important, they can customize their views, they can make it user-friendly, and makes it very easy to get on with their daily work.